This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 13 of building the Eleanor. This is the issue that we're putting these bits together. We've got the interior piece that we built, the exterior piece that we built, and bits that go onto it, basically. First of all, we're going to fit the window winder, which does nothing. The window is fixed on this model, which I quite like. I have had trouble with the windows on previous builds not working quite as advertised. So I'm happy that they don't open. You don't need them to, so it's fine. We're going to use a BS04 screw to hold the window winder in place. Let's get a tiny screwdriver because it's a tiny screw. That goes through there. Have a look. There is a little bayonety bit that you have to get the right way round in there, so that goes on like that, and that is held in place with that screw through the back. Nice and easy, so easy even an idiot can do it. Look, I am. So that will go in there and be tightened up a little bit more than that. I've got to do the tightening as we go on this because I'm going to be locking the screws behind or between the two panels, so they need to make sure that they are where they should be. So that is that one. Then we are fitting the bottom sill. I like that finish on that. That's quite nice. It's very pleasing to me. That is going in there, and that is being held in place with the PS05 screws. Two of those. Get those out of there. Oh, let's get three of those out. I'll put that one aside. I haven't needed any of these backup screws as yet, so hopefully I won't. But always keep the spare screws because it's always nice to have them, even if you don't need them, rather than the other way around. Because if you do drop one, lose one, break one, or heaven forbid, is missing from a future delivery, there's a good chance that you will have a pack or a selection of them spare to save yourself the hassle of getting replacements for them. So there we go. That is now on there. I like it. So then we are fitting that in a minute, but first we've got to fit that to that. It should be fairly easy. There's two massive, great big screw holes there and there. Oh, I do like it when it comes together. That's quite nice. I like that. We're going to use two of these bigger DSO screws. Probably DS because they're going into metal. I'm not entirely certain as to the labeling of these ones. They're a little bit different to previous builds, so it may or may not work like that. But either way, these are going to go into there like that, and into there like that. Get this nice and tight. I did make sure that the window was nice and secure at the end of the last one, so that is all good. I'm fairly confident that I've got this bracket the right way round. Especially now that panel's gone on there and made it sort of square and flush, because if that was the other way around, that would be poking into the side there. So I'm happy that that is that. So I can quite comfortably fit this bit. What's that? Very mirrored that side, but that's, don't know what that bit is. That's got to go behind that lever. In there like that. It's very silvery, isn't it? It's very chromy. So this will pop into place. Oh, it's quite tight. I'm not liking the tightness of it. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not coming out again. So hopefully I've got it all the right way around. There we go. That is now in there. I like it. It's old school because it's from the 60s anyway, but I like it. That looks like a nice door. And the handle obviously will move to wherever you like it to be. I don't know. I don't know where it should be. They've got it that way. So I'll leave it that way as is in the picture. So that is a door done. Nice. Yeah, I know I've said it a lot, but I do. I like it. The finish and the silver is just a nice grey. So that is that. Join me next time for the last of this month's delivery, where we're finishing off the seat. I assume finishing off. We're certainly doing the other half of the seat, the other bit of the seat. So join me for that very soon, and later for other things in this series and other series as well. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.